Nightfall. Mud's Fall-Winter Look 2018-19. Prep the skin with face primer and cream or liquid foundation and the 620 brush. Using zero powder and the 610 brush, cover the eyelid area for eyeshadow application. Apply pomegranate eye color over the entire lid and under the lower lash line using the 320 brush. Blend out the inner and outer corner of the eye with the 610 brush. Using the 350 brush, apply Onyx eye color along the lower and upper lash line. Deepen the inner and outer corner of the eye by blending Onyx into the pomegranate eye color with the 610 brush. Apply black eye pencil to the upper and lower lash line, blending into the waterline. Apply Onyx over the black eye pencil with the 300 brush to create depth. Groom the eyebrows with Brow Fix. Apply a generous coat of water-resistant mascara using the 500 brush. Apply Glow Cheek color to the apples of the cheeks. To finish the look, add a thick layer of Shine lip gloss to the lips. For more editorial or Instagram-ready looks, apply glycerin with dabbing motion on the entire upper eyelid. A double agent between dusk and dawn, the light of twinkling city skyscrapers guide your path. You're disguised by the cover of Nightfall. Mud's Fall-Winter Look 2018-19.